Stay active with the Fitbit Inspire 2, featuring heart rate, sleep, and activity tracking in a slim, lightweight design. With long battery life and smart fitness features, it helps keep your health goals on track every day. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Fitbit Inspire 2 tracker, additional large band, charging cable, and user manual. How to pair. To pair the Fitbit Inspire 2 with your iPhone, turn on the tracker and make sure Bluetooth and Internet are enabled on your phone. Download the Fitbit app from the App Store, log in or create an account, then select Set up a new device and choose Inspire 2. Follow the on-screen instructions, enter the pairing code, allow permissions if needed, and complete the setup to start using your smart band. How to charge. To charge the Fitbit Inspire 2, align the gold charging pins on the charger with those on the back of the tracker, then snap the charger securely into place. Plug the USB-A end into a compatible power source such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the tracker will vibrate and display the charging percentage on the screen. You can tap the display or press the side buttons to check the battery level while charging. Smart features? The 24/7 heart rate monitoring feature continuously tracks your heart rate throughout the day and during workouts for better fitness insights. It also helps measure calorie burn, resting heart rate, and overall activity levels to support your health goals. Advanced sleep tracking monitors your light, deep, and REM sleep stages to give you detailed insights into your sleep quality. It also provides a daily sleep score and helpful data to improve your rest and recovery. The 10-day battery life lets you use the Fitbit Inspire 2 for days without frequent recharging. It helps you track your health and fitness continuously with less downtime and more convenience. All-day activity tracking automatically records your steps, distance, calories burned, and active minutes throughout the day. It helps you stay motivated and monitor your daily fitness progress in real time. Smartphone notifications let you receive calls, text messages, and app alerts directly on your Fitbit Inspire 2. It keeps you connected and updated without needing to constantly check your phone. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Fitbit Inspire 2 tracker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Inspire 2 tracker. See you at the next one.